Dave's Hot Chicken, Rockledge, just open, grand opening. All right, so we about to try these chicken tenders. See how these things is, y'all see them. I don't know, folks. I ain't gonna lie to you. Whatever you see that? Took out. I don't know, folks. I don't think this was worth $80.
This is gonna be so high.
It's not hot to me at all. I got mild. It's not hot at all to me. It ain't hot to me at all. It's hot to you?
No.
It seemed like it looked like it's finna be spicy, but it's really not spicy at all. It even smelled like it's deadly, but it's not spicy at all. I'm waiting for the heat to kick in. That's why I even played it safe and got mild, because I was thinking it was gonna be like real hot, but it's not. I don't know, folks. It's like a knockoff Zaxby's.
No, it's kind of hot.
And you got light heat.
There you go, that was good.
Yeah, it's alright. This ain't worth no $70. I would have been more satisfied at McDonald's. I'm just being completely honest. It ain't all that. Walmart chicken tenders better than these.
I ain't never had Walmart chicken tenders, so I don't know.
These are the most seasoned, unseasoned chicken tenders I've ever had.
Yeah?
The fries, subpar. And you just love it, don't you? I don't even want the fries. They just taste like grease. They just taste like grease to me. They don't taste like shit. Maybe I'll try one without the Dave sauce. It's better without the Dave sauce. I can fuck with them without the Dave sauce. This nasty trash.
You are taking me out. No, but that one is yours. The chicken too.
I'll give it to you though, you was right. Alright, so back to this review. This bread is down in front of Dollar Store. They might have got this bread from Home Depot. They don't even serve food. At least the Zaxby's bread is like garlic bread or something like that. This is just some white, they just gave us just white bread. It ain't even the expensive kind for $70. You're good packed and full though. Food ain't worth a shit. Yeah, folks. I don't think I'll ever be back here again.
Ignore it.
I have a scale 1 to 10. To get about a 4. Dave's Hot Chicken.
Look. He was just doing this to his chicken. You like it.
Okay. So on to this chicken sandwich. Let's see how this even look. This shit look like it's gonna be dry as hell. Finna use some of your ketchup, son.
Ketchup.
Yeah. Y'all see it? Huh? Okay, eat that one. So this chicken slider ain't nothing but bread and a chicken tender. Nothing special about it. Just bread, cheese, and a chicken tender. That's ketchup. Okay, eat your food. You should just went to Chick-fil-A. Yeah, guys. Yeah, folks. Nothing special about this.
You're supposed to try it without the ketchup on it first.